Hi everyone. As you may or may not know, I've had a camera that had a memory card stuck in it. It failed inside and disintegrated. I was ages getting it fixed. I don't know why. I think because I hadn't long had the camera and when it happened. Anyway, cut a long story short, it's been away, it's been repaired, I've got it back. So, because it's been so long since I've used it, I'm out trying all the different things that in the past I've been able to film, but my smaller camera, which I've been using, isn't capable of doing these sort of distances. So I thought I'd just put a video together and show you all the things I've been out having a go at filming again. Birds, geese in flight, I just wasn't able to do with my smaller camera. And of course, this is all going to be work in progress again. I'm going to have to remember, the different settings and all stuff like that. But one of my favourite things to do, and I did keep trying, anybody who has ever filmed planes flying up high in the sky, that one was 37,000 feet. It's extremely difficult. Well, I find it extremely difficult. So it's all about practicing again and, trying and remembering what I need to do. Another difficult thing to do is to film ships way in the distance, way out in the shipping channel. That's a tanker out there and you just can't see it from land. You just have to zoom out, have a look and see what's about. So I don't know how far out that is, but it's a fair way. And it's going from Teesport to Portugal. And apparently it's going to take it 3 days to get there. So I'm at Scroby and I'm just having a look towards Hemsby. Now I'm on Galston Pier. I'm actually filming this the day the bomb was found in the river in Great Yarmouth. So I'm just having a look here, seeing if they're going to move it out to sea, to blow it up. But by the time I'm actually doing the voiceover for this video, it's still not been blown up. I think it's 2 days, 3 days on. Apparently where they were going to blow it up is right on top or very near the main gas pipeline for Galston. If they take it out to sea and blow it up, I will try and go and park somewhere along the seafront so that I can film it and show you. I'm still on Galston Pier and I'm looking towards Lowestoft, and this is the wind turbine at Ness Point, Lowestoft, the most easterly point of the United Kingdom. For those of you who watched my Lowestoft video where I filmed the boats in the harbour, this was one of them. So I was quite surprised to see it here, but though I shouldn't be really because it's just a short distance along the coast, isn't it? But nice to see it anyway. I couldn't quite believe what I was seeing when I first spotted this boat. It's on a sandbank, and I didn't know that sandbank was there. I knew about Scroby Sands, but is that part of Scroby Sands? I don't know. Anyway, this boat has wheels, and it's driving along the sandbank. It's called Walrus, and I've looked it up. It was built in 2022, so it's not very old at all, and it's an amphibious crew transfer vessel. I think that looks absolutely brilliant. It must be great fun. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. Think of the photos I could get from up there. On that walkway. Not on the boat, on the wind turbine. This boat is called Gladiator, and it also goes to the wind farm, but it doesn't have wheels like the other one does. I might just come up with a brainwave. Wouldn't it be great if there was a webcam on the top of one of these wind turbines? We could watch everything then, couldn't we? My very first YouTube videos are from one of these caravans, looking out to sea, filming everything that happens on the beach. The lifeboat going out doing its training, that'd be Caister lifeboat. So much happens along here. I know it's quiet today and there's hardly anybody about. This is now the view from Scroby, but earlier I was at Caister. Been all over the place trying out my camera. I've got another ship for you now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's jumped from one place to the other and then back again, but it's just how I film things. It's been very exciting getting my camera back. Anyway, as I say, hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you all for watching, and I dare say I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye for now.